welcome to the Shit Show. My name is Saida Simon and this is my friend
Chris van Lith. Today we make a video in English. Normally on our channel we just make Swiss-German videos, but today we start our new format. I don't know if really this word exists in English, but me know English. So no, let's try this one. So why we want to make this like our new format, like Swiss-German lessons, Bern style, because when I travel and also when Simon travel, all the people always ask us, oh Simon, Chris, can you teach us some German, some Swiss German? But the truth is, it's not that easy, because German is a really hard language, and Swiss German is also really hard for other people from other countries, and that has more than one reason for that. And we want to show you first the reason why Swiss German is so hard, or like some of the reason why Swiss German is so hard for other people from other countries. One of the reasons is we have in our language a lot of ahs. Can you say it for us, Simon? Ah. We say like ah. It's a A with 2 points on it. Ah. Now we show you a little picture how you write this ah. So now we showed you a picture of this A, better. No, this was English, but it's in Swiss German, sorry for that. Now, the second reason why it's so hard, Swiss German for other language speaker, is because we have a lot of in our language. Can you say it for us, Simon? When I travel and when I meet some other Swiss people and I speak with them, and then all my other friends who speak other language, they say to me, oh, what do you speak? I just understand. Is it true?
Yes.
Say it again for us. So now we showed you before this A, and now you will see a picture of this, how we write this in the language. Now you saw a picture of this. Can you say it again? How you have seen, it's not, it's just simple writing a C and the H, but it's really hard for other people to say that. So that was two really hard things in the Swiss German language. First the A, and second the and now we come to another thing why it's really hard to learn Swiss German. And the third reason is because we have how many cantons we have in Switzerland, Simon?
26.
26.
Yes.
Because we have 26 cantons in Switzerland. For people who don't know, cantons is the name that we have in Switzerland for this like, it's like a states, like in the United States you have states, and here in Switzerland we have cantons who are like states. Now we showed you a picture of this to remember of these 26 cantons in Switzerland, and why this is the third reason why Swiss German is so hard. Because in all of this, not in all of these cantons, but in the Swiss German speaking cantons of Switzerland, there is like in every canton we speak another dialect. And so it's really hard for people from other country. It's also really hard because it's also possible in the same canton, but like 5 or 10 kilometers away, there is a person who use another word for a word, like for a thing, like for a phone or something like that. Maybe I have a word for that, and like 5 or 10 kilometers away, there is another person who use another word for that. So that's also why it's really hard to learn Swiss German. And that's also why we learn in this video, in the Swiss German lessons, we have also like the title Bern style, because we live here in the canton Bern, and that's the language, the Swiss German we speak, and that's also why we teach this Swiss German here in our videos. So we go further. Now that was a little bit long introduction with all this reason why it's so hard. Introduction, sorry. And the first word, we also say the words in German, because some people also ask us for German words, and maybe it's a little bit easier for you to learn these words. So the first word we learn here in our first video on this format in our channel is Schweizerdeutsch. Can you say it for us, Simon?
Schweizerdeutsch.
This word means Swiss German in German, in the language German. And this word, it has like two parts. It's like we have the part Swiss, like Schweizer, and we have the part German, like
Deutsch.
so. And maybe it's more easier for you when you split these two words. So we come to our first word, and this word calls Schweizer, or in Swiss German,
Schweizer.
And you can also use this word for a person who lives in Switzerland.
Yes.
You can say it, I can say to Simon, oh, he is a Schweizer, or a
Schweizer.
yes. And now we explained for you these two words, like in German Schweizer and in Swiss German
Schweizer.
And now we show you a little picture how you can see it, how we write these words. So we showed you a picture of these two words, like in German Schweizer and in Swiss German
Schweizer.
That is the first part from this word, from this first word we learned today, Schweizerdeutsch, or in Swiss German,
Schweizerdeutsch.
So, the second word of this longer word is, it means also German in the language German, and it calls Deutsch, or in Swiss German,
Deutsch.
So it's a little bit complicated, maybe to explain. So like German, it's like Deutsch, and in Swiss German we say to German,
Deutsch.
So now we show you also a picture how you can write these two words, like Deutsch in German and in Swiss German,
Deutsch.
For our first word we learned today, Schweizerdeutsch, or in Swiss German,
Schweizerdeutsch.
we have our two parts together now. It's the first word we learned in German Schweizer and in Swiss German
Schweizer.
And the second part from this word we learned is in German Deutsch and in Swiss German
Deutsch.
And now we have these two parts. When we put them together, we have the word Swiss German, and in German this word is Schweizerdeutsch, and in Swiss German we say to it
Schweizerdeutsch.
And now we also show you a picture how you can write this correct in these two languages. That was the first word we learned today in our lesson, in our first Swiss German lesson, Bern style. The second word we learned today is we have for Swiss German in every canton we have special words like words for the dialect. And here in Bern we say to our dialect in German Berndeutsch, and in Swiss German
Berndeutsch.
And this word, like Swiss German, like Schweizerdeutsch,
Schweizerdeutsch.
we can also put Berndeutsch.
Berndeutsch.
This has also two words, and we can split that for learn it better. Like the first part of this word Berndeutsch,
Berndeutsch.
the first part is Bern, like the name of the town that we live in, and that is the capital of Switzerland. And in German we say to that Bern, and in Swiss German
Bern.
And now we show you how you can write that. You saw how you can write this word Bern.
Bern.
And the second part of this word Berndeutsch
Berndeutsch.
is the same like we had the second part before in the word Schweizerdeutsch.
Schweizerdeutsch.
And the second part also in Berndeutsch
Berndeutsch.
is Deutsch.
Deutsch.
And now you will see again how you can write Deutsch.
Deutsch.
For our second word, Berndeutsch,
Berndeutsch.
we have now these two parts. We have the first part we learned, Bern,
Bern.
and the second part of the word we learned, Deutsch.
Deutsch.
And now when you put these two parts together, you have the word for the dialect here in the town Bern, Berndeutsch.
Berndeutsch.
And now we show you also how you can write this word in German and Swiss German, Berndeutsch.
Berndeutsch.
Today we learned two words in German and Swiss German. It was a little bit long way with the introduction, and you see it's not that easy to learn German or Swiss German. To remember or to repeat, we had today our first word Schweizerdeutsch
Schweizerdeutsch.
and our second word, the dialect here, Berndeutsch.
Berndeutsch.
We hope you enjoyed our first video for the Swiss German lessons Bern style. In future we will make more Swiss German lessons, and we think about words maybe you are interested in to learn, or maybe later also some situation how you can use it when you travel to a German speaking country or to Switzerland. And if you are interested in to learn a special word or a word you are interested in, you can write it down in the comments. And yeah, let us know. We hope we could teach you some German or some Swiss German. So what we can say more? I would say that's the end of our first Swiss German lesson video. And so see ya and slancha.